people, how are y'all doing today? So in today's workout, I'll be doing my glute workout with some resistance bands and some ankle weights. So first and foremost, I want to apologize if you see for the amount of wedgie you may see in this video. And we're just gonna get it done. I'm in my room, I'm in the house today because the rain decided once again it does not want me to be great. So I'm just gonna stay in the house and do my glute workout, and I'm gonna show you guys. So hopefully my battery does not die. I charged it up and we should be all set. So what I like to do with my workouts, every workout I do 3 sets, 15 reps of each workout. So I hope you are prepared, and if you want a follow along with me video, please let me know and I will record that for you. So let's get started. I need a quick break. Whew. My glutes are like, what are you doing? So, quick break for me. See, this is why I like to work out doing reps and sets, because whenever I need a break, I just take one and then I pick up from where I started. Excuse all of this too. I'm in process of reorganizing my room. That way I can basically turn it into my gym room. So yeah, so ignore stuff you may see. It is what it is. Okay, let's get back into it.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Whew. That was a good workout though. So, as you can see, I'm pouring sweat. That was a really good workout. It took me 21 minutes to do, and that's usually how long my workouts take me to do when I'm doing things like it, like when I'm doing other workouts except for jump rope. In total, my workouts usually last about 40 to 45 minutes. But again, that's if I'm doing a jump rope workout as well. So I hope you guys was able to see how I do my glute workouts. These were just some of the workouts that I do when I work out on my glutes. If you guys have any comments, the sweat is just going crazy. If you guys have any comments, concerns, you want to let me know something, remember that I am not a professional at all. I still consider myself to be a beginner. I'm still learning. I'm still figuring out my form. So I know that my form was probably off in a couple of these workouts, but this is what I've been doing, and so far I felt good. I haven't had any injuries or nothing like that. But if you have a better way, or if you have a suggestion on what I can do better, please let me know. Let me know some of your favorite glute workouts to do as well, to get, you know, the roundness popping, and I could do and include those workouts in my workout routine as well. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Have a good one.